Good morning, everyone. Today we have a workshop with the Kyoto Institute of Technology, and I'm in Japan right now. We have workshop on February 2nd to 10th, and the workshop is for the School of Architecture and Design. And our student, the master student, will work with the KIT student. Let's see.
So this is the team. Okay.
Same team.
Okay. So hope you kind of like introduce yourself later. You know.
We are going to
Kyoto Shakusobai.
Oh, okay. Then these are your students. Where are you going today?
Going to the site of workshop.
The site of the workshop. Hey, really?
Yeah. Shopping street and the Japan House.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
This is Sai, and she right now look like a terrorism.
No, I'm just cool.
Okay. And what are you going to do in this workshop?
I don't know now.
Oh, you don't know now?
I think we are going to survey the site.
Okay, survey the site.
Yeah.
What are you going to design?
Shop house renovation.
We don't know now.
We don't know yet. We
Oh,
are
you don't know yet.
visiting the site soon.
The name of this street?
Pontocho Street.
Oh, the
Pontocho.
street. Okay.
Same street, like same whole Kyoto street, like that. Because when the Kyoto was not really like developed, this is the size of the Kyoto street. You know, like very narrow. And this is why they preserve this street as a like historical but again because of this area the kind of like entertainment areas in like history, so that's why they still like let it become like a restaurant and bar and things like that.
Souvenir shop. This is a Starbucks coffee shop that indicates the traditional Japanese house with a commercial one.
When I wake up, before I put on my makeup, I run for the bus stand. But while